Imwana cia Kogalo iri meharĩrĩria-inĩ ma ngucanio ya kĩũrata kĩrabu kĩa rigi ya Ngeretha Everton mweri-inĩ wa ikumi na umwe, na ũũ nĩ kũringana na ndũmĩrĩri ĩrĩa ĩrekereirio nĩ aharĩrĩria a ngucanio ĩno SportPesa. Rĩrĩ nĩ rita rĩa kerĩ Gor Mahia maracemania na Everton, mwaka mũthiru makĩhotwo na mbaũ 2-1 ngucanio ĩrĩa yathakĩirwo bũrũri-inĩ wa Tanzania. Mwena-inĩ wa Kenya, Faraway mwanaici Dylan Carr oigĩte atĩ nĩakenetio mũno nĩ athaki a kĩrabu gĩkĩ arĩa manyitire itemi ngucanio-inĩ igĩrĩ na timu ya Harambee Stars.
I thought Josh Onyango was superb. Philemon for 45 minutes. He's not a right fullback, and he played against a very tricky left-sided attacking play of Ghana, and he dealt with it perfectly. Francis didn't really get into the game because it wasn't his type of game. He wasn't given the space. He wasn't given the ball where he showcases his talent. But yesterday against Malawi, in the second half, he went from the wide position to the in behind striker role, and I thought he changed the game in the second half, and he thoroughly deserved the goal, the winning goal. So I'm proud of my players, but I'm also proud of Harambee Stars. They've put the country back on East Africa's football map. You know, give them a chance to qualify for AFCON. We've just got to keep positive, and hopefully they can do that in the next 2 games against Ethiopia.
Gor Mahia megatire mweke ũyũ thutha wa kũhota gĩkombe gĩa Super Cup mweri-inĩ wa gatandatũ kũrĩa magũthire Simba kuma bũrũri wa Tanzania na mbaũ 2-0.
That there's a huge number of East Africans and Africans living in the UK, especially in Liverpool, in the UK and other areas. So by making the price as equal to the normal EPL pricing, you're going to be restrictive. We want to make it affordable so we can give the experience to as many people as possible to ensure that they get to see and enjoy African football going head-on with the English Premier League team.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV haro-inĩ, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Mwĩhaki wa Dogo.